We are live. Amir, what's up? Welcome to the chat. We are checking. Basically, setting up DeWitt. Welcome to the chat. What should we do? AI or content automation? We'll do content automation. I don't know if I could do that in on YouTube as well too. YouTube doesn't really matter. They kind of like poke in and poke out. DeWitt, welcome to the chat. Put in the chat what you're working on. We are doing AI avatar stuff to upgrade running the stage AI avatar. Cool. Right now we're doing a content automation to see if maybe we can introduce any avatar. Client came to me and was like, hey, can you do any avatar? And I was like, yes. The automation does do any avatar. This should be very interesting to kind of set it up. So right now it's generating the avatar. For what this kind of creates, if you guys want to get super nerdy.
Your kids won't remember you worked hard. They'll remember you weren't there. 10 years from now, your daughter won't say you worked so hard for us. She'll say dad was always working. He missed my games, my recitals, my birthdays. I'm not trying to guilt you. I'm trying to wake you up. You're not building a business for your family. You're sacrificing your family for the business. And the crazy part, it doesn't have to be this way. Entrepreneurs with AI systems work 30 to 35 hours per week and make more money than you grinding 60 to 70 hours. They coach their kids' teams. They eat dinner with their families. They take vacations without checking email. Not because they care more about family than you do, because they built systems instead of staying trapped in manual work. Your hustle won't be remembered. Your presence will reclaim your family time. Build systems that work without you. Book with Dr. AI. GetSimpleTechSkills.com.
Not bad. There's still a little few automation tweaks that I want to go into. But for what it does right now, I'm pretty happy with it. There are a few other automation pieces I want to make this look a lot better. But a lot of this is all vibe coded using Google AI Studio. There we go. Nice. Adam, Performance Creative. What's up, Adam? Thank you for teaching this. Welcome. So, in the all in all summary, you can vibe code your own apps, and there's no need to learn NAN. Completely irrelevant to learn NAN in 2026. Vibe coding, no code tools are actually eventually just going to become obsolete. There's like no point in like learning no code tools because a lot of what you could just go straight into coding and then start vibe coding your own tools. So right now he is generating the avatar. Oh, he's also restart. Let me refresh this, restart the server. Actually, I don't think that matters. I think I could just run this thing separate. Yeah, because technically it won't matter. Reveal on Finder. I actually feel lost. Please, can you guide me on what we're learning? So, let's vibe code something from scratch. Let's vibe code. That way you guys could kind of see what it's like to do some vibe coding kind of thing. But even then, because this week, Reveal and Finder, we'll just start this. This week, we are. Oh, nice. Okay, how's he doing? B-roll failed again. Yeah. Copy Facebook Marketplace to own app vibe that. Uh, you don't want to replicate a brand new like Facebook Marketplace per se. Mostly what I'm doing right now, I just want to work deeper on improving this. There's We're real close to basically building this content automation machine, and this thing creates AI avatars. There are a few bugs here and there, but what I want to do is I want to actually test it out by actually rolling it out to some beta users to automate their content. So that's what I'm thinking of trying. Hmm. I was gonna do this for a client, but the client's avatar doesn't is not a real. Is there a way to remove, like, is it unable to just process, or can we change some parameters, or do I get you a new avatar ID? So a lot of this is I'm currently looking for people I can make their day easier by handling tasks for them. You got to be way more specific what you want to handle tasks. Admin tasks, marketing tasks, business tasks. There's a ton. You gotta be way specific. CHS gaming. But good to see you. Welcome. Let's go to HeyGen. Nice. See, these are erroring. Why are these erroring? Virtual assistant. Nice. There's a ton. Ah, bingo. Got it. Because there's no face and mouth on this, you can't really do it. I missed what you said about the live. Let's get me sorry about that. For virtual assistant, looking and your help, looking for people to help, I'd highly recommend creating content around the stuff that you can help with. Oh, but your page says you're not playing eFootball, but you want to do virtual assistant. You got to do a different page. That's why. That will help. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. So, what I really want to hear, we actually just want to remove this. Actually, let's generate a new HeyGen model for me. Do we need to? Much more realistic. But I think we could fine tune stuff like the B-roll. Let's just create some content from this. Because I'm just going to use it just to flood my content right now. It works for any business, but okay, what I actually do want is a content calendar here, just based off what the dates are here. I want you to add a feature, new feature, and it's a new tab at the very top. The middle tab for content, you can actually just get rid of that middle tab from the user interface. I don't need that anymore. And then let's add a new tab in the middle called calendar. And I want you to be able to do a calendar 30-day view and a week view. On the week view, I need to be able to see the time slots by hour so that we can see when each of the posts are posting. Now, you don't need to fetch any data from GetLate. You just need to use the data, the records and the dates that are in the database table already. That makes it very easy. That way, when the user goes to the tab, they click on it, they can see the calendar, they can sort, filter, and search, and then when they click on there, it will show the time slots of when posts are showing. That way I can also track. And then in the upper right hand corner, get rid of the pipeline stopped icon in the upper right hand corner. Don't need that. And then I want you to default to my HeyGen model, the Jonathan one. Remove the PAPEL option, but do keep the option to add a new avatar and just make sure that function works. That would be nice to use in the future to swap out a different avatar pretty easily. And then for the piece of content, can you let's see. Can you zoom in a little more so I could see, make the avatar 10% bigger? Okay. Also on the color code, can you color code ones that are published versus ones that are pending as well too? Okay, this is a very, very big update. CH Gaming, nice to meet you. I know that you're looking for a task. This isn't the place to look for tasks where people need help. I definitely would create content so that you could show people what you can help them with, which is one of the biggest things. This is a content automation app. So basically, we're going to be adding a few changes here to tweak. And we also debating if I want to make a better avatar. I think so. Let's go to HeyGen. And then let's also go to Nano Banana Pro. Okay, what's up, Coder Do David? Oh, we're definitely gonna be lagging a lot of stuff right now. Most likely. I think he's even creating content on the back end. Oh, he's still updating everything. Okay. Well, you guys can see this for a second while he's hanging out.
Your kids won't remember you worked hard. They'll remember you weren't there. 10 years from now, your daughter won't say you worked so hard for us. She'll say dad was always working. He missed my games, my recitals, my birthdays. I'm not trying to guilt you. I'm trying to wake you up. You're not building a business for your family. You're sacrificing your family for the business. And the crazy part, it doesn't have to be this way. Entrepreneurs with AI systems work 30 to 35 hours per week and make more money than you grinding 60 to 70 hours. They coach their kids' teams, they eat dinner with their families, they take vacations without checking email, not because they care more about family than you do, because they built systems instead of staying trapped in manual work. Your hustle won't be remembered. Your presence will reclaim your family time. Build systems that work without you. Book with Dr. AI. Add simple tech skills.
Yep. Everything else is pretty fine. Pretty happy. The B-roll could be a little better, a little more dramatic on the B-roll. But that's a fine tune that we can fine tune that later. But right now, man, the benefits of having dual GPUs has been amazing. Yes, having just having extra hardware just makes it so nice. That's one of the biggest things. It's like now have the hardware to do whatever you want, which is huge. I don't know if you guys want to see. It's not so much anything interesting. Claude's just kind of working in the background. Now you can kind of see. Claude's doing his thing while the update for this. Not bad. Oh, yeah. At least better stuff for sure. Oh, everything's going faster. What's up, G? How's it going? Welcome. We're doing some content automation. We're just putting together a software update to kind of update our. We're going to add a calendar feature, which will be dope. We're going to make the avatar a little bit larger. And then we should get some news and pop some news in. And then, you know what? We should train a new avatar. Yeah. Yeah, you're not lagging. Yes, you're not lagging so far. Wow. The second I touch my computer, it will lag. That's why I'm like, I can't like I want to build, but I can't build because then it'll lag. And it's like, ah. Okay, it's gonna lag. Hold on, it's lagging. I promise not to say anything during it's lagging. Okay, it's fine. If I open a tab, I just did, it lags. I need a new computer. I need definitely a new computer. Oh. He's almost done with some of the changes, which is nice. Are you streaming from your laptop? Yeah. Just a Mac M1, 16 gig. Just streaming from here. Nothing fancy. Oh, I thought you were doing pages and shit, so I thought you had figured out. Oh no. Yeah, the trick is don't touch the computer. And it would not lag, but everything I do would lag. So all I could do is just make Claude make some updates to the AI automation bot. Um, while he's doing that. Hello, Ams. What's up? Happy Sunday. Good to see everyone. We are making more upgrades to this automation bot. We reached a stable version. I'm very happy to say we reached a final stable version where it outputs stuff like this pretty consistently. Ams, send me your GitHub, and David, you too. If you're in the community, send me your GitHub repo or your GitHub email that you use to sign up with GitHub, and I will add you as a contributor so that. Where's the dashboard? Oh, here. So you could get the GitHub repo for this too. If you send it to me right now, I'll add you right now, and then just download, add the API keys, and then off you go. You're set. I'm gonna make a proper tutorial. Technically, in the community this week, we're doing. David's like, "Oh, I'm doing it now." Do it. I'm very happy with where it's at right now. We're just doing a little cleanup, and then we'll just pump out some content for tonight, just to show how fast it works. It's really fast. It creates short form content, 40-second videos for. We reduced the cost 50% successfully. Hold on. We have successfully reduced the cost per video cost to $1.33 without sacrificing crazy quality. Crazy. We have to show me how to get GitHub. I'm learning. Oh, don't worry because this week in the community we're going to be doing VS Code and Claude. So complete introduction class, but I didn't click on it. I know you dropped the link in the class, but didn't click on. No worries, because this week we're going to be going from start to finish how to do Claude, how to do VS Code. We're going to vibe code some really cool projects, content automation as well too. The automation app is going to be next week. This week we're just getting you fluent with Claude Code, VS Code, and then also for vibe coding, we'll build some tools, we'll do some Python stuff to get you comfortable with it. And then next week we'll do a content automation. We'll build a small version of like this for you. Emailed and DM'd. Ask and you shall. It's gonna lag for a second. 1 second. It is lagging. 1 second. Oh, it's gonna lag real hard. Hold on, I'm almost done. I see the email. Perfect. Because I'm curious what David would do with it. It's gonna lag, it's gonna lag, it's gonna lag, it's gonna lag. Add people. There, and sent. Boom. David, you now have the GitHub repo for this. Oh, let me send you the link too. You now have access, David. Merry Christmas. You have this full content automation software. I think we're at a stable version too for like, I got to do a tutorial of setup. But basically just go into the env file and you'll see all the API keys that you'll have to set up. Just set up all the API keys and then you just pop out content in and just, yeah, let me show you. So let's do a piece of content right now. Oh, look, and we just added a calendar feature. Ooh. Oh, the calendar needs to be a visual. Oh, let's take a look at this. For the calendar feature, you may need to update the calendar feature because, for one, I won't be adding content from the calendar. Its sole job is just to view the content that's scheduled so I can see what's scheduled for the future and what's pending if anything has a due. It's only records that have a due date. And then like that whole database or that whole view under calendar just needs to be an actual visual calendar, and I need to be able to see it on a 30-day view what pieces of content are scheduled, and then which even has like list of like some records there, and then also on the other side what's a week view, and I can see on a week view from like 8 a.m. to like 8 p.m. I can see on a timeline hour by hour where all the other ones are slotted, just a visual one. So make that changes to the calendar. Very nice. We'll just kind of upgrade this part right here. He's a little polished, so I think we can create a better one, which I think we're going to do right now. So we're going to go Nano Banana Pro. We're going to build a new one. We're going to get my headshot. Not from there. I want this face in a dark navy blue quarter zip sweater. Remove the glasses and just him relaxed. And then it's also in a 9x16 format with a green screen chroma key background and him slightly smiling a little. High quality 4K, high definition headshot. Also in the style of professional photography headshot. They're like, yo, we need an API key. Pay us. Pay us. We're going to create a new avatar. So you're kind of going to see the process here. Because he's okay. Don't get me wrong. He's great. Like, facing forward, straight on from the camera. That's not bad. A little better. I think that looks way better. I don't know about you. Download. Can we zoom out a little bit? Can we zoom out a little bit? I would like to see all his shoulders. Actually, let's see if we could get it to zoom out. Like, that would be interesting. I think this looks a lot better. So let's see. Better. Option one, I can't see. I gotta see both. God, that looks really good actually. Okay, hold on. Let me download this one, and then download this one. It should be the same thing. They're the exact same. There's no difference. The only difference is the extra shoulders, which I want this one. So wow. I mean, that looks like really good. So now let's take this and let's file save as. which one is this one? So we're just going to download it again. Okay, it's going to lag for the next 5 minutes while I open some tabs. 1 moment. We're creating an avatar. Okay, now we're in HeyGen. Guys, can you hear me? Excellent, nice, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Now you need to train your avatar. Go to avatars. Actually, go to home. Actually, it's apps, photo to video. Upload your avatar, which actually we're going to move him. We'll just select voice. Hello world. 1080. Generate. Thank you for all the likes. Thank you for all the likes. Let me explain exactly what I'm doing and how you can clone your avatar today so that you don't have to create content ever again. Creative Henry, thank you so much for the thumbs up. Let me give some context around what we're doing here. We are automating our content. I'm showing the process of how I'm creating a digital avatar of myself to create content without lifting a finger. We are going to train a brand new avatar because the first version was not bad. I mean, it just got it out. Now we're just improving the quality, honestly. David, this is what you'll do. Basically, you'll go to Nano Banana Pro. And then you would upload a headshot and ask it to give you this is the difference too. This is a pro tip, David, because this is me and David talking. Ask it to do a professional headshot. And then I asked 4K, high quality. Like this one is way better than my first version. See? No headshot, no 4K. He looks very like plastic, basically. Don't worry, David. I'm gonna give you also like a YouTube video of like how to set all this up from scratch. So don't worry. If you're a member in the community, we're going over how to do all this in the community. What's the best way to pronounce that? Ifioma? Hello, doctor. I know you're in the community, so hello. Ready to turn scrubs into sales. Decency, IFY. Perfect. I'm gonna call you D right now. D, good to see you. Let's get that money and start hustling. D, AI content, selling it to your clients. Probably the cheapest and most lucrative side hustle. Anyways, we're training a new model. There's our avatar. Cool. He just says, hello, world.
Hello world. Hello world.
Oh, game over. Game over. I am firing myself from all content creation. This is the app in the community. It's soon. Yes. If you send me a direct message in the community with your GitHub email, the email that you use to sign up with GitHub, I have a private GitHub repo that I give access to. It's not public. And then I add you, just like I added David 5 minutes ago. David gave me his GitHub repo. I gave him the link, and now he has access in 5 minutes. So just send me a direct message in Circle, and then you get access to, let's see if we refresh this. This is the content automation app that automatically creates content for $1.33 every piece of 40 seconds, or it creates short form content for $1.30, and it pumps out content better than you could ever create content. She's like, sure will. Hell yeah. Get on it. That's why you joined. To get all the perks. What I have, you have. Because I want my members to crush it in 2026. David, you, everyone. Let's see. View only. Okay, restart. Okay, so we are going close some tabs here. I don't think I have to enhance it per se. Is this real? No, this is definitely not real. This is pre-recorded 5 years ago. This is definitely not real. No. Although we've seen how like to do faceless. One of the members showed me in the community how to do faceless live streams or automated live streams. Terrifying how easy it is. If you're in the community, I'll post it because I couldn't believe it. I was like, what? That's why I was like, why are people asking for like live streams is like so fake, or like, are my live streams fake? And it's like, no, my live streams aren't fake. And it's like, the second this guy gets good enough, oh, you best believe I'm. Our secret. All right, I gotta log in to get some passwords. So if you guys are creating content manually in 2026, stop, join the community, automate your content, save 40 hours of your life a month, and work smarter, not harder. Right now, I am trying to. That's actually terrifyingly really good for. Man, if I did like a couple more sit-ups or push-ups in the morning, I could look like that. How do you join the... Ooh, your name is Too Hackative. That's a dope name. How do you join the community? Link in the B to the I. Just double-click on my profile. It's the only link that's right there. As soon as you go to that webpage, you could join. It's $97 a month. You could cancel anytime. It's for business owners or people that want to do AI automation. And this is just one of many things. Like, we have the HeyGen course. We have this content automation app. We're teaching Claude Code and VS Code this week, Tuesday through Thursday, how to do Claude Code, how to do VS Code, how to do vibe coding, how to do Python programs, how to build websites. Next week, we're automating content. Next week, I'm going to show you how to not build something crazy like this because I only have 3 hours with you, but I'll teach you how to do your avatar, basically. Like, I'll teach you how to do a smaller version of this, like an avatar version. That way you press a button, paste some content, and out comes your avatar to do this, basically. For members in the community, join now. I'd love to see you there. Plus, when you join, you get a 1-hour one-on-one session with me. So I get to know you, your business, your goals. 2026, how much do you want to crush it with AI? How much do you want automated? Because my AI employee right here
Hello, world.
is terrifyingly. I'm terrified how good that looks. Every month when we update, hey, what's up, Wellbet? Every month when we update this, I'm like, oh yeah, the new model's just got an update. So it's just more. So when people are like, that's not realistic, it's like, oh, just wait. This automation works now. The technology, the quality will just come even better. Like, that's easy stuff. Okay, I need some code to log into my website. And then I'll be doing a demo. So live classes this Tuesday through Thursday. Learn how to vibe code this week inside the AI community. Okay. I actually don't think I need to enhance it, but... Oh, I got 10 daily credits at it. Dope. I just want to go into AI automation. Do I get taught in the community? The community is live classes. A lot of people are at different varying levels when it comes to AI and automation. We're going through a 5-week program to take beginners from beginning to go through the fundamentals from prompt engineering, custom GPTs, all the way up to vibe coding and automation. So it's technically a 5-week program to get to that. It just depends on how much, oh, there we go. Just depends on like how much you just want to really go into automation. So the main things is like, just book a one-on-one session with me and I could just work with you. I also do one-on-one coaching. So I can show you how to put the automations in your business, how to click the buttons, what automation apps you should be using, how to reduce your, one of the biggest things for my clients this week was actually how to reduce the subscription costs. Actually, all this week, I reduced all my client subscriptions by 50% by automations. I was like, oh, we can just automate Vibe Code, create some custom solution for them. And we cut their subscription costs by 50%. They're very happy. Website costs, you don't need to pay. Nope, that's crazy. Okay, there is in here enhanced quality upscaler. Oh, Topaz. Oh, they have both. They have Topaz and they have image upscaler. We may not need image scale upscaler. We just need Topaz, actually. Topaz. Yes. Oh, this is going to be fun. So this is an AI automation, or in HeyGen. HeyGen has a bunch of features for AI images and videos. FreePix is probably a little better, I would recommend. Here... denoise face enhancement. Strengthen the intensity of face effect. Creativity. Nah, not creativity. This only takes 2 credits. Let's see if we upscale this. We don't need it like that big either. Oh, presets. Ooh. For high resolution, art, low resolution. For high, what's premium? Damn it. Okay, hold on. We can't do premium. Sharp readable tech for logos. What about for faces? Okay, standard works. What the heck? Don't I have like 10 free credits? I'm on the free plan. I have 10 free credits. Give me the 2 credits. That's some bull. Unlock our promo with this. Get basic, select the plan. No, I'm on your free plan, yo. Is there a button to render for free now? You're not gonna let me. I'm not paying you right now. No, I will not pay you $9 for. Oh, maybe I go into FreePix. Who has an image upscaler that's also out there that I know of? Let me think about it. One moment to process it. It's already realistic enough. I'm happy with it. We don't have to do much. Let's pop him in and put him to work. There's also enhanced core. Yeah, you could taste the stevia. Ugh. Whatever. Basically, what I'm trying to do is make my headshot more realistic. There's many different tools that make your headshot or your avatar more realistic. Basically, like this. So that you could do before and after. See, AI, human, before makeup. AI, raw. AI, raw. That's what we want to do. So, what do we have here? Oh, it looks like I have credits here. What? Yo, I have credits. They never expired? Oh, this is going to be dope. Hold on. I'm excited. I should have shaked that. This is like finding a Bitcoin wallet and being like, yo, there's 0.0000001 of a Bitcoin in here. Yo, pizza's on me. I'm like, because I remembered I bought this and I bought the subscription thinking I would use it a lot, but I don't create that many models. Like, I'm not in that AI influencer business. Now I'm just may be in the AI influencer business by I could be an AI modeling agency, and because I'm basically creating. This is our first AI influencer. He just so happens to mirror someone in the real world, but he doesn't exist. That does not exist. That's not real. It's in the image of. Okay, so then we don't need you. We don't need you. We need you. Sick. Yo, okay. Upscaler. Ooh. Whoa. 40. Oh, let's just start uploading images in here. Okay. Here, let's do this. Let's start spending some credits. It looks like me, but it's not me. It's all fake. I didn't take that photo. That's not me. It's not my outfit. Upscale 1. Chris image portrait detailer. Upload a clear image of your character. Portraits are recommended. Yeah. And then, yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Something like this. This is cool, right? Before AI, enhanced. Before AI, enhanced. Before, enhanced. Before, enhanced. Before, enhanced. I'm just watching all the subscribers come in going, what's going on in here? You guys are funny. Okay. I think that works. We're just doing fast. That's 350. Yes, this is my port. No, this is me. Wait, how do you change the image? Why can't you upload? Nope, that's not me. Upload. Why doesn't it want to do it for mine? Do you know how much money this dude made making this tool? He made stupid amounts of money. What the heck? Okay, upscale. There we go. Photo, fast. 350 credits. Do you know how much that is? Yeah, I upscale my images locally. Good to know. Okay. Oh! I buy credits, and then you guys make me buy your subscription to keep the credits. Um, if I'm gonna spend $10, email, DM'd, nice. In circle? Let me see, double check. It's gonna lag for 5 seconds. Hold on. Do 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 do. Does free pick have upscale or good sir, I do not see a direct message. Or did you email? No, you didn't email. No. So go to the direct message in the community. Don't direct message me in the app or the email. You won't get the app. You gotta be a member inside the community, yo. Like, go back to doing content manually. Like, no. This is only for members in the community. I thought I was like, yo, I have not seen your DM before. AI has a free pick has a dedicated upscale enhancer tool. These will to increase resolution, sharpen elements. Magnificent use AI for upscale, free picks, upscale enhancers. Which is better? I'm seeing like which one is more. FreePick is a better because it has magnificent AI technology, which affects for certain things. It looks like FreePick is going to be it. Enhancer specializes in skin texture, though. That's what we're doing, though. You've been blocked by network security? What is this? How long will it take to master the course? Depends on your skill levels, depends on what you're trying to do with AI. It could take anywhere from a few weeks with one-on-one coaching, give you the exact solution and automation that you need. Could take 2 months and upskill you to become an AI developer. Or do you want to become an AI consultant, teach you how to do marketing, sales, get clients, and you want to sell AI and automation services or consulting to clients as a side hustle? That's 3 months. So, how long is always arbitrary depending on your goals. So, I love to answer. Let me know what your goals are. Which is better though? Why won't you let me go for. I can't believe I can't vibe code something like this, which is super annoying. I don't want to pay any extra money. I don't want to pay any extra money. No, no, no. I don't. I don't. I don't. I don't. I'm happy with that, and that's really good. The classes are Tuesday through Thursday, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for 1 hour. If you miss, plus this is dope. This is so dope. Plus, if you ever miss a class, there's class recordings. So we have the replays of them. And you can see here all the replays for all the classes, for all work. For everyone, we're doing a 5-week AI mastery program where we're starting from beginning with AI. We're not teaching ChatGPT. We're going straight into GenSpark. So we just finished week 1 of GenSpark. So that's why you see GenSpark day 1, GenSpark day 2, GenSpark day 3. So we did 3 days of GenSpark. This week we're going to be doing VS Code and Claude Code in the community, so definitely join so that you can attend those classes. Tuesday through Thursday, live classes, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for 1 hour. Fridays are like office hours, networking, Q&A, member show in case there are projects that they're working on. And then I hooked up automation. So as soon as our weekly office hours are done, like as soon as we finish the session, the automation automatically updates the class recordings. So one, I don't have to do that anymore. Dope. And if you're subscribed to class recording, David, I think I may need to give you access to this one. Let me know if you don't have access to this. Then it automatically sends email notifications from there. Hi, are you a vibe coder? Yes, I would say I am a vibe coder. Proudly a vibe coder. Hi, my name is John. I've been vibe coding for about 3 months now. I started off with programming years ago. I have the GitHub. My GitHub repo is like 2020. No. It was like 2019 or something like that. Started coding. Couldn't code. Could not code to save my life. I could hack code, but I couldn't. I tried to become a software developer, way too much information. I could not become a software developer, way too much. So then I went into Salesforce, way better, because then I'm a sales consultant and so far, or a sales and marketing consultant. So like, I could help with that, and then if you could change the settings on your phone, you could change Salesforce settings, and so. But then all of that, don't see the recordings when you get to perfect, yeah, because you're on a special plan, David. So that's why I'm like, because you're on that special plan, it doesn't like auto add you for these new stuff. So that's where I'm like, but I rarely make new changes to access to the community. So don't worry, I got you. Let me do this, and 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 let me do this. Oh wait, you should. I'm pretty sure I added you too. Hold on. David Barner. Notify members. Add. Cool. So if you refresh, I think you should now see, and it's called Class Recordings. So if you're in the community, starting 2026, we are now saving all the recordings in here, and they're the full transcripts too. Like they're the full video, which is great. It's Fathom. And then it is the full, I'm trying also to put all the workbooks in here too. Plus also, this is really cool, is all of the PDF files or Google Docs that I share or do demos, there's one Google Drive folder that I created. It has all of the files from the community. So that's an easy way for you to find all the resources and stuff like that. We had quite a few members join over the last few weeks, so trying to improve the onboarding process for everyone coming into the community as well. Plus, for at least the classes, don't hold me to this, but at least for the classes, I'll try my best to create workbooks for them. So these are full PDF workbooks on everything that was taught that day. So this was just one day. You not just let AI on the board. Not sure what that comment means. So this is just for one session. Introduction, JetSpark overview, projects. The sales dashboard was a really good demo for a lot of people. That was awesome. Building a mini CRM, vibe coding, and then even replacing Tableau and sales analyst jobs, which is the whole thing. What are some best practices, advanced techniques? So this is a whole PDF workbook that's just from that one lesson, from that one class. So that's there. And that is in the community right there. So definitely join. We start class again this Tuesday, live classes. And then you get tech support, you get a one-on-one session with me. I get to know you, your business. And then we're also opening up slots for one-on-one AI coaching. So if you want to save 24 hours a week in your business and work smarter, not harder in 2026, book a one-on-one with me, and I can help automate your business so that you don't have to learn. Or I need to book. Yeah, don't forget to book. If you become a member, you get a complimentary one-time one-on-one session with me. So please book that one session. It will be amazing. I guarantee it. Like, trust me. And then we had quite a few people sign up for my one-on-one coaching. So that's also there. If you want one-on-one coaching to really leverage AI, just go straight into AI consulting, AI automation. John, what's the automation? What's the button I press? How do I leverage all the AI? We have a structured 3-month curriculum that we're working off of, which is super dope. So 2026, I'm very excited. The biggest thing people want out from feedback from 2025 was like, people aren't interested in courses. The classes are great, more affordable. And then at the same time, more one-on-one coaching. They want to know, hey, I need you to show me exactly what AI tools you use and how to exactly use them in my business. Nice. I'm very happy with my new avatar. We just created a new avatar.
Hello, world.
Oh, and he's got a website designer and a digital marketer. What's my advantage? Oh, as a website designer and a digital marketer, what's my advantage? Go straight into AI consulting and then help business owners vibe code new websites. And then because websites, as a website designer, like you should be vibe coding all your websites, hands down. So your turnaround's faster, your profit margin is higher because it doesn't take you that much labor time anymore. It's all vibe coded. Higher margins for business. AI will increase your profit margins for sure. Like, oh yeah. And then as a digital marketer, again, mostly just helping business owners with content or ads. That's all marketing is. For me, I'm helping them to the point where, where's my thing? Can you launch the server? Let's see. Ha 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 ha. But here we have some pop-up stuff. Hey, can you check it out? When I load that, I get like these pop-ups. And I'm not sure why or cancel, so clean it up. And then right now I just want you to go through the code base and just look over everything and first give me a plan of how you're going to clean up and optimize everything. And then I need to give you, more importantly, a new AI avatar to add. This is Jonathan Acuna V2. Keep the version 1 avatar in there. This is just a new HeyGen one, so I want to add that to it as well too. Okay, perfect. Let's get our avatar ID here. Excuse me. Copy. Oh, what a difference. See, what I love about this is that you get to see the progression of avatars over time. How have AI avatars? This was Nano Banana. This wasn't even Pro. Like, this was Nano Banana 6 months ago. This was long time ago. This was 7 months ago, 8 months ago. And then that's Nano Banana Pro. Better. Nano Banana Pro. Better too. Still a little more fake. I don't want to say fake, but too polished. And then now I'm gonna get rid of this guy. This was a waste. And then from here, fixed modal, Jonathan Acuna, V2. Okay, so what are some other things? You know the industry, so you have inside knowledge to what AI is doing. Yeah, the biggest thing is like just leverage number one for everyone, get skilled in AI. That's number one. I'm talking, I hate to say like my level, certified level, but like, yeah, I now certify people because it's like there has to be of like, because people are like, I know AI and they just know ChatGPT prompts, and I'm like, no, you don't. There's so much more. Even NAN, I wouldn't consider AI. It's like workflow. It's like just a better Zapier. You can make sure it's doing things right and not giving false information. Yes. That's one of the biggest things. Okay, right now, he's going to go ahead and do a major clean. We'll just see if we can kind of play with it in between. No, we can't play with it in between. Can't show and tell. Darn. So I'm excited about that for the automations. This for the avatars is good. We don't really have to do much for him. I'm really happy how that came out. That was just Nano Banana Pro. I mean, you could go to... I do want to save that prompt. I want this face in dark navy blue, quarter zip, 9x16, chroma key background. But the keys things was the high quality, the 4K, and the professional photography headshot prompt. Those were the most important to like really make the headshot go from something like, well, that's a regular headshot, but, and then we just had him face on and then zoom out. Perfect. So we got in like 3 tries. A lot of people like they get the first try that comes out from AI and they're like, it looks horrible, or that's not right, or it's like, hold up. The success is in the iteration. Let me say it again. The success is in the iteration. The more you iterate, the better the quality of the avatar, the AI document, the automation, the workflow, the vibe coded ad, the vibe coded tool, anything. I want you guys as the lesson of the day, because I want to teach you guys the lesson of the day. Iterate yourself to success. Whatever you get for the first version, sure, it may not look correct, but I know I could reprompt it, tweak it, and I know my version. This was version 3. That's perfect. I'm very happy with that. That took 3 tries. Sometimes it takes 4, sometimes it takes 10 tries. Don't worry. The more you iterate and you just go back to all you're doing is changing, is just fixing the original prompt. Just right here. That's all. You're just fixing the original, just adding new rules to it, appending, adding more criterias. I just spent 3 days getting my local videos tweaked just right. Still got more work to do. And it's true. I've been watching Peanut. No, Burnt Peanut. He's and every time he goes, I do that so much. Okay, clean up everything. What I've also gotten a good habit of doing too. Oh wait, does the calendar work? Hold on, let me test the calendar. Oh wait, and my calendar doesn't work. Also, I click on the calendar and get this. Okay, so he's going to clean that up. Local takes a lot more. Is this all inside HeyGen? One piece of it. All we did was just train the model. That's basically all we did in HeyGen. But we're going to use the API to call this model every single time we're going to generate. So is it done in HeyGen? Yes. One piece of the AI avatar part? Yes. The other side is we're going in through the back door. You can't do all this through the back door. I'm just lazy. Okay, so he's working on that. We did that. We'll keep him. And what I really want to do now, what I'm doing over here while I'm talking to you guys is vibe coding. So this is vibe coding. So I want to make some updates to my automation app. Oh, he's got a he's going to be doing a lot of cleanup right now, because I was like, you know what, refactor some code right now. And I got in a good habit of like, hey, look over everything, create a plan, and then execute said plan. That works a lot better than just saying, hey, go do this, hey, go do this, hey, go do this. And then he has tunnel vision, and then you have a lot of technical debt that ends up, and you're like, uh-oh, spaghetti-o. That's one of the biggest things. Okay, he's vibe coding for a second. We're going to take a 2-minute break. I need to go get my laundry. That's the only reason why I just have to get my laundry. So 2-minute break, enjoy some vibe coding, go get some water, hydrate. I'll be back. We'll finish the vibe coding app, and then we will continue with our AI avatar, because he is terrifyingly, he looks amazing. Cool beans. 2-minute break. I'll be right back. What's that? I'll answer that question in the back. Right. Okay, appreciate it. All right, let me get one thing, a little snacky snack. Okay, I'm coming back. Hold on. Okay, thank you guys. You guys are so patient. Oh, we just lost one person. One person couldn't hang. I appreciate all your patience. I will now answer all said questions. What was that created through your avatar? This is Heijin. This is Heijin doing it. And then I wish he can just auto finish as well too. Ooh. I love Sour Punch. Oh my gosh, my favorite. 11 hours ago. What finished 11 hours ago? Oh, there's a previous question 11 hours ago. Oh, the post you made about 11 hours ago, the one where you had the talking head of a Heijin, was that actually created through Avatar? Ah, gotcha. Let me show you. So, it says the calendar work. Have you tried Operator in ChatGPT yet? I had too much fun in GenSpark. So all of these guys right here, all AI, all AI. Generated, automated, uploaded. I press a button, they got generated. They were scheduled to upload today across 6 social media channels. So that's the avatar. That did great. So let's. Oh. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. This is what I wanted. Because the question to me is, I have to schedule content every single day, and I have to make sure there are 3 pieces of content posted every single day. So my question is, how can I tell how many pieces of content are posted? Calendar looks a little funky. We'll just get this to kind of fix the CSS alignment a little there. For the calendar, can you fix the CSS so it kind of aligns the days and the columns, everything kind of aligns? The week view as well too. For the week view, it also needs to show the content as well too at the appropriate time slot. Oh, I see it does. I feel like the week view isn't showing all the contents kind of rendering, so double check that. Then we got the month view, a little better. And then switch to the week view. Yeah, the week view is just missing data. But that looks amazing. What's up, Sarah? Good to see you, Sarah. Again, Sarah, you're amazing. Godfather, thank for you for the follow and welcome. David's like, yep, enjoy. Ali, AI, welcome, Ali. If you have AI in your name, you know I'm going to poke around at your profile and see what you're doing. Paving the way for RealPlex expansion as the founder and president. I've seen your profile today. I was looking through all of my new followers and I was like, I checked out your page. You just never know who's checking out your page. Welcome. This is vibe coded using Claude Code and VS Code. So the app that you see is a completely vibe coded app. It's mostly Python, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. That's the whole tech stack. It's like Python, HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Nothing fancy. And then Claude right here is doing all of the work. I am doing no coding at all. You have not seen me write any code. No. But I'm coding right now. Make no doubt. I'm not writing a single line of code, but I am coding. Welcome to the paradox of being a vibe coder and vibe working. Sarah, send you lots. Happy Sunday, Sarah. Sarah, send me your GitHub repo, or the email that you use for your GitHub account, send me that in as a direct message in the community, and with the caption of like content automation. I will give you the as a contributor to the GitHub repo. It's private. That's the only way I'm kind of sharing it. So that's the best way. And then you can download this today and start pumping out content for yourself or for your audience. Works for every social media channel, and it produces content, short form content, for as little. I love this part. This is my favorite part. As $1.33 per video, 40-second video, talking head, with you doing no effort of just copy, paste, choose the day, done. That's the most effort you'll do. So it takes however long it takes everyone to create. However, if you're feeling brave, put how long it takes you to create one short form video in the comments. 30 minutes, an hour, 5 hours, never. And this thing will pump out in about 8 minutes. We're gonna watch it. We're just doing some upgrades right now. Oh, yeah. Aaron's like, never mind. Welcome. Smarter Moms. Yep. CVA Finance. CVA Fine. It's like Finsurance. Is it CVA Finsurance? Hey, doctor, do we message you in the community to get the code for this? I missed the last class. Yes. For anyone in the community, you get the source code for this, because I don't want to do subscriptions. I don't want to host. I don't want to deal with like all of the. Not on my plate. However, if you're a member in the community, just send me a direct message in the community with your email for your GitHub account, and I will add you as a contributor to the GitHub file, and then you could download the entire source code, and then all you have to do is add there's like 8 API keys, and then you can now start pumping out content with your AI avatar to make content that looks, well, this is the avatar. Great, just sent you a direct message. Cool. I will actually take care of that right now. Excuse the lag. One moment. Let's see. And then, okay. Smart Moms says, the one with NAN and you talking about Hey Gem looks really realistic. Was that your AI? I don't think so. I think I know which one you're talking about. Unless it looks like explicitly like this type of format. Yeah, there's like these, like this one. That's me. Probably, or it's probably like one of those. There's this one too. But the ones that are my Hey Gen, that's these guys. And the giveaway is like, I'm in the corner. I can't believe this. There's no way. The new one of this fate, we're changing this avatar to make him look even more. So if you thought he looked realistic now, he's going to look way more realistic in a moment. We just upgraded him. We just gave him a upgrade. Got the message. Chris, thank you so much. I got Totally Faceless Mafia. Interesting. What's your... and then collaborators... Oh, I do this. And there you go. Chris, check your direct messages. CVA. There you go, Chris. The basic TLDR is go to the env file, hook up. It tells you what API keys to get. So get the API keys. You could do Cursor. You could do Replit. You could use VS Code. It really doesn't matter. And then once you set it up, once you have all the API keys, and they have some funds on them at least, then I'll show you a workflow right now. I think Claude is finished with it. Okay, I'm happy with this for right now. I'll mess with this a little later right now. Hold on, let me actually push to GitHub. Wait, push to GitHub. Okay. One moment. I've been making a lot of changes, so I'm gonna push the latest right now to GitHub. but actually don't wait for this latest one because I haven't actually tested it. So we're gonna test it right now too. I actually like that. This lets me know, oh, John, you need to post more content on the 14th, 12th, 13th. Like, we need to see 3 a day, every day, 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 3 a day, every day. I know, I get so annoying, but that's the game. Then I want to bump it up. Okay, so once you have everything installed, let me check the settings. Oh, by the way, you could customize it to your business too. In the settings, you fill out the business profile, and so what's your business name, who's your target audience, what's your call to action, how would you describe your avatar, what's the thumbnail outfit style that you want because it will use your headshot, what's your brand voice, what's your product or services that you sell, what's your niche or industry. It uses all of this to customize and write marketing copy for the top, middle, bottom of funnel for the scripts. Like, it will hard sell for you, or top of funnel awareness kind of thing. This is really dope. There's also extra models in here too. So you can optimize it for different models. If you want to reduce the cost or improve the quality of the B-roll, we have a lot of options in the settings to change the B-roll. So it will cost a little bit more, but you would get much better quality. There's also cheaper models in here, so you could save a little more, cut that cost down more. We have the HeyGen avatars. Make sure the default one is this one. And then for now, can we make sure that version 2 of the HeyGen avatars is selected as active? And that's the default one. Okay, I'm just gonna make some changes. Okay, so let's test it out. So here, I'm gonna go and get some hold on. This will just take a moment. Hubs, content. Okay. Okay. Sorry for the lag. I had to open a bunch of options here, and then so that I could get some content, because now we need to feed the beast with some content. We need to talk about what's in the news in AI, and I'm just going to take some of these. We're going to just copy paste it into the app, and it would just generate content. That's it. I wish I could say it was harder, but no, it's that easy. You just copy paste your content, and it will generate the content. It will produce it. Future ones will actually generate the content as well. So, Edom, I see your message in the community. Totally sorry, I gave you the wrong email. I keep forgetting it's not. Oh, Gmail. Okay, Chris, I see what you have. One moment, Chris. Remove. Yep. Fix. I am adding members in the community to the GitHub repo for the content automation app. Good to go. And then Edom, I see you. Ask and you shall receive. Add. Okay. Cool. Edom and Chris, check your direct message in the community. You guys now have the GitHub repo to download this software. I'm going to push an update pretty soon to it. Once we do a test with the new avatar, I think we'll be good. So let me dump it and we're going to do a test right now and then I'll push the new changes. ChatGPT Health, ChatGPT your medical record meets AI. Am I going to read this article? No, not. I'm just going to copy this article, paste it here. That's all I did is paste the article right there. I'm going to put bottom of funnel hard sell. And let's do middle of funnel. Just get a little fun. And then add it. That's it. That's all I had to do. That's all I had to do. That's creating content. Oh, the content's so hard. I got to get the camera. I got to get the script. I got to write things. I got to copy paste. I got to upload to 6 social media channels. It's a full-time job. Oh my God, I never have to do this job again. Oh. Join the community and you could create, it's working now. I'm not doing anything. Oh, I'm working. Look at me. I'm working, creating content. Oh, it's so hard. Oh, woe is me, creating content. Oh, my phone, the tripod is not working. Oh my God, I can't, I don't know how to do the app. Oh my God, my battery's low. Oh no. Oh, it's 6 o'clock. I gotta create content. I would love to rest. Oh my God, the content is so hard. Woe is me. Yeah. Guys want to join the community or you guys want to create content manually? You guys are the people are going to go this week and be like, do you have an affiliate for your community? Technically, yes. I think we put it at 20% monthly recurring revenue if you sign up a member inside the community. Well, we have, so basically the membership is $97 a month. We have an affiliate program. So if you affiliate and bring in quality members, I am so strict on quality. Like people contribute, people passionate about AI, business owners that want to scale and make money and grow, like people that share and give rather than take and hoard. Like it has a whole strict culture. You can make 20% monthly recurring revenue in perpetuity for every member that you sign up. I think it's like roughly like $20. So $20 for every member that you sign up in perpetuity that both you and them stay a member. So yes, I have an affiliate program. Oh, it's right now. We should have timed this too. We'll time the next one. As you can see here, Aram Mills, where do I access the community? If you go to my profile, I have a website. It's called Simple Tech Skills. On that website, there's one orange button. You press that button, you sign up, you get instant access to the community, and you get a calendar where you can book a 1-hour one-on-one session with me. I'm going to get to know you, your business, show you all the amazing things, give you access to said software. It's a private GitHub repo, so I got to manually add you, just like all the members. By the way, my members watch my live streams. If you're watching and you want the source code for this to hook it up so that you could create content automatically without lifting a finger. By the way, right now it's just generating the B-roll. So it's producing content as we speak. Send me your GitHub email in the community and I will add you as a contributor, just like what I did to Edom and Chris. And Edom, let me just double check I got Edom. Yeah, I got you both. You're good to go. Enjoy. Tutorial video coming soon. Tutorial video coming soon on how to like set up. The short thing is just go to the env file, look at all the API keys to go and get and then once you have all the API keys and they're somewhat funded lightly, you don't have to fund anything crazy, then the next step is to create your avatar in HeyGen. And I will show you how to do that from just a photo. Is it a free community? No. YouTube is free. I have a ton of free YouTube stuff that's all AI related. But if you're a business owner and you want to save 24 hours a week in AI and automation and pump out content like this, everyone else has to go this week and they have to manually create content again and again and again, while members in the community will press a button and have content made for them for $1.33 per video. Benefits. So you teach everything about HeyGen? Oh, I teach everything. I teach everything AI. Hi, my name is Jonathan. I'm an AI consultant. I help entrepreneurs save 24 hours a week, automate their business, increase their revenue through AI, marketing, and automation. I teach on every subject AI, image related, because I certify consultants to become AI consultants, basically. Even 11 Labs, we taught 11 Labs, but it's too expensive, honestly. Just because it's the best name in town doesn't make it cost of it. I didn't like the realism of it. Like, I prefer other ones. And they're gonna get. I mean, 11 Labs mid-year is gonna get so much better as well too. So, caveat today with like an asterisk, like because in like 3 months, 6 months, they're gonna get so much better. Better to run a scripts when requests are low. Yeah, late at night right now. Well, this thing is cool because you just kind of set it and forget it. Like we just piped in an idea. It takes roughly 10 minutes to create a piece of content, basically. And so we're now it's just growing through the cost. So we spent some money right now. We spent a whole 75 cents on a HeyGen video. We also spent a 1 penny for the voice, so all the narration for me talking to clone my voice. And then we spent this is expensive. 0.001. Yes, I said that right. 0.001 on all the writing, all the SEO, all the description for all the 6 social media channels. Yes, I spent 0.0001 to do all the writing. How long would it take you to type all this up? Take you an eternity. This is where companies and business with AI are going to murder and crush all businesses that are like doing things manually in your business. You guys won't survive. Like, this is where you think AI is going to take away your job. No, your competitors with AI is going to crush you. So this cost me 0.001 of a penny to write custom SEO text for YouTube, custom SEO text for TikTok, custom SEO text for Facebook, custom SEO text for all the other platforms. And yes, all the other platforms. This was done while I'm talking to you guys. Do you guys see me work? I mean, I'm working hard, boss. Content's hard. Like, I'm working really hard right now. Oh, I gotta like type out all the things. Content's so hard. So hard to do. Oh my gosh. Then we go back to dashboard. We kind of just check out. Okay, so he's kind of just filling out some of the B-roll right now. So we're just kind of wait for him. And then, the avatar's done. The avatar's already done.
OpenAI just dropped ChatGPT Health, and it's wild. You can now connect your actual medical records, Apple Health, even your fitness apps directly to ChatGPT. Imagine asking it to explain your blood work or your cholesterol trends. It's designed to be totally separate from your regular chats with its own encryption, so your health data never trains their models. This means you can prep for doctor visits, understand complex lab results, and track your wellness journey like never before. It pulls data from things like Function for labs and MyFitnessPal for nutrition. So, is this the future of patient empowerment or a massive privacy risk? What do you think? Let me know in the comments.
We may have to do it. Does it have to talk? No, it doesn't have to talk that fast. We could drop it down another like 10% for that. It's all easy tweaks. I think more people's attention span is like too fast, so he was talking too slow. Also, can we make sure that can we also slow the voice down by 10%? Okay, cool. So it's going to make those changes for the next one. And right now, let's take a look at how we're doing. Okay, right now it's generating the thumbnail. We're closer, about 45 seconds, a minute. We're about a minute and a half away from finishing the first video right now. And then we can actually time it. And then I made the voice a little bit slower too. Crazy quality, WTF. Isn't that wild? And this is just with technology today. Like, at the end of the year, it's going to be wild. Like, this is just what you could just stick together with. You can subscribe to HeyGen today. You can go to heygen.com and create an avatar just like this today. Like, the only difference is I just automated the entire process, so I don't do anything. Right now, okay, he's doing the video editing too. You know, you have to go to CapCut, and you got to do some video editing, and you got to stitch together and load the files and clip and hate your life. This does all the video editing too. I tell you, it does the whole process. true content. People hire me to do content automation or to hire me to do business automation. It's my job to come in and completely automate everything about the workflow or the process that they want. So creating an AI, we create an AI influencer that's going to create content for all of 2020. I have an AI influencer that's going to create content for all of 2026 for me. I'm not getting on camera, not recording short form content. He's going to pump out all the daily news, all the trending things as soon as they come out. Okay. We're done. So let's take a look. That was the whole process. So what was that? Let's just say 10 minutes. 10 minutes, let's say, for example. So finish producing it. Let's take a look at the final video.
OpenAI just
Oh.
dropped ChatGPT Health, and it's wild. You can now connect your actual medical records, Apple Health, even your fitness apps directly to ChatGPT.
Now, I used a brand new avatar, so that's why we have to fine tune a couple things here. The chroma and the size here for me to get this. So this is going to take a couple tweaks to kind of tweak this, but this is only because I loaded a brand new avatar. No way. Does it also automate the direct message response like send sales page? That's like ManyChat mostly. ManyChat you would just set up auto DMs, for example. Do you publish on Kick? No, I don't. Actually, I don't think you can publish on Kick or Twitch. I don't think the automations will do that. Just thinking right now, for example. Okay, so there's a couple things that we need to fix here. Let's go to HeyGen. Avatar 2.0. See, it does it in a... Did I upload the wrong one? I feel like I uploaded the wrong one. Yeah. Yeah, that's why. Okay, so in order to make it... Okay, we got to go to Canva first. Okay. It's gonna lag for a second here. Lag. Step one, I gotta make this a 9x16. Custom size. 9x16. And then let's just magic extend. Edit. Magic extend. Or magic expand, as they say. Magic expand. Whole page expand. Nice. So now we're kind of cleaning up because our avatar needs to be in a 9x16 format, basically. That's why. Oh, that's horrible. Right. Yeah. Let's make this little green. Oh, that's horrible. What's the chroma? What's the chroma key hex code for the background color? Thank you for the follows. Welcome everyone. We're just creating an AI avatar using HeyGen. Okay, that's better. Good enough. Okay, let's take him. HeyGen avatar, download. Definitely want a PNG, save. See, can't do that because he's just too small, yeah. So let's go to HeyGen, train a new model. Upload our model. Does the whole thing, that's right. $1080, go ahead and generate. HeyGen is the platform for AI avatars. Let's see. Do the green flash to be able to hide it during the video editing. Yeah, because for me, I want him to crop out. Let's show you something like this. So in order to get him cropped out, that's what the green screen does, basically. I mean, you can still see some of the hint of the green, basically. So that's why we want him talking for the whole video.
Everyone's selling you 50 AI tools. You only need 3. The AI industry is lying to you. They want you to think you need a computer science degree and a whole tech team. Please, here's the truth.
So that's what we're doing, the green screen, basically. Cutting it out. And hopefully this works. Okay, that's script for content. Yeah, because this one only did 9:16. And then we got a chroma key out a little more. So it'll be epic with some arm movement. Yeah. Again, you can add, I mean, there's a different way to do this. This is just like to put me in the corner type thing. There's other ways to do it where he's a little more animated. I want to work on an influencer version of this model. This one just kind of reports. It's a very simple structure format, but it could be remixed to do a lot of cool, interesting things. Is this thing still processing? Is anything waiting? ChatGPT Health. And then
Hello world.
okay, perfect. I like that. And then we will go to our avatars. We're going to call him Avatar 3.0. Okay, that's him. Oh, also slow down the voice by 10%. Okay, so we are. Hello, Jesse. I'm doing very well. Very blessed. Hope you're doing well, and everyone too. So, if you're just tuning in right now, we are building a new digital avatar using HeyGen so that our HeyGen AI employee goes and creates content, and we don't have to create a content because wouldn't it be nice to have your AI avatar create all of your content with the click of a button? Yes, you can do that. That's what today's. That's basically what we're doing here. This is the avatar I just trained. We're just fine tuning them. My TikTok is glitching with double audio. Ooh, shouldn't do double audio. I know the glitching for sure. If I pause, there we go. Okay, cool. So if you're watching, we are building an AI avatar using HeyGen. And for HeyGen, it just corrected. Nice. That's helpful. As long I have a lot of tabs open, and if I move any tabs or open any tabs, then it is for sure going to lag. So let me close some tabs here just to get some resources available. Is this live? Real? No, this is pre-recorded. This was recorded 14 hours ago. Completely not live. Not hearing double anyone else. No, good to know. Nice. So, HeyGen avatar created using HeyGen. You could go to Nano Banana Pro to basically create your own. And he is now put in our, to create content like this.
90% of entrepreneurs only need 3 core systems. First, email automation to handle your inbox and follow-ups. Second, a content system that creates and posts automatically. Third, lead qualification that pre-qualifies prospects 24/7. That's it. Now 50 tools. Not 100 integrations, just 3 focus systems. The complexity is a sales tactic to keep you confused. Simple systems win. Build your 3 core systems. Book with Dr. AI now. Go ID is in the link. Everyone's
So we're going to slow the volume or the speed down by 10%. We're testing out a new avatar so he looks a little more realistic. And those are the upgrades that we're doing right now, basically. So with that, I know, huh? We have the new avatar, so I think we're ready to test. Refresh this. I think we could just use this one again. Go back and regenerate the avatar. Okay. All right, so now it's going to go through. We'll give it about 45 seconds, about a minute, and it's going to automatically create a new HeyGen avatar. Or it's going to go through the whole process, so don't blink. It happens very fast, which is very nice. And guys, placed in the oven to actually go and process. So right now, it's generating what's localhost? Oh, it's a crazy website I found. It's on the dark web. It's called localhost, and it's 5002. If you spell it correctly, you can actually access this same website on your computer. But be careful when you spell it. It could be if you don't want to misspell one number, that's 5002, not 5001, not 5003. So it's localhost. That's the name of the website. It's a free service. You should go check it out right now. Right now it's processing, and right now he's doing the HeyGen avatar. Oh, and confetti too. I love confetti. As a software developer, program confetti in your apps. You're not a software vibe coder. I do not consider you a vibe coder if you don't vibe code confetti in your apps. You're going to be killing time anyways. By the way, I'm creating content. Ugh, it's so hard to create content. Ugh, I got to type everywhere, and all these manual labor. I'm creating content. I'm like using all the keyboards and just like This is a new software called localhost. It's brand new. It just came out. I found it on Product Hub, and we're just kind of trying it out. I can't find the community for the GitHub link. The community is in the click on my profile, and that link will take you to the community. Careful, it's localhost 5002. If you misspell any of that, you could end up somewhere on the dark web. I don't recommend it. But you can get access to the software right now and start using it. And right now, Oh, we're jailing the B-roll. Okay, my talking avatar is done. Let's look at my avatar.
OpenAI just dropped ChatGPT Health, and it's wild. You can now connect your actual medical records, Apple Health, even your fitness apps directly to ChatGPT. Imagine asking it to explain your blood work or your cholesterol trends. It's designed to be totally separate from your regular chats.
I feel like that's the same one. We generated a new HeyGen, and we sent a new request, and I just want to make sure that was the order that got placed. 1 second. Was that? Oh, it looks like it errored. Right? 1 hour ago, 1 hour ago. Check if it's generating the HeyGen. I think it may have an error message on the last one. Oh, what does it do? It's actually, no. Can you look into the HeyGen? Why is HeyGen returning almost like a square or a 3x4? I specifically want a 9x16. That way we could do a lot of the cropping. So was there anything changed when we're asking for the return or the request for the HeyGen? We definitely want like 9x16 when it comes back. Just pop that into that. Stop. Localhost is just no, it's a free service. What are you talking about, RV? Art by William? William will misinform you. Trust me, Dr. AI. Localhost is a new software next to HeyGen. That's all you need. HeyGen and Localhost. Welcome. And if you're brand new, welcome to the chat. We are sharing. We don't gatekeep here. We are sharing all the AI secrets of what's possible. At the end of the day, I just want to inspire you to play with AI. That's all I want to do. It's the least I want to do. Okay, cool. We're going to regenerate this, and then we'll get our full ratio back. I'm changing it. Wrong room. Alex. Localhost is it could be localhost. Localhost. I like that one. That's good. Okay. Can we get HeyGen to return higher quality instead of 720, like 1080? Actually, that's pretty good. Okay, let's try this out again. So we're going to submit another request. Refresh. We're going to place another order. We're going to place another order for an avatar. Okay. One avatar ordered, please. Let's order one avatar. Do you have a table of contents for the full course? We have the whole table of contents, everything. We have the whole curriculum. No, I was really asking because it was misspelling. Oh, it's local. LOCALHOST. Localhost. And then be sure there's a colon. And then, here, let me make it a little easier for you. Don't forget the HTTP. That's the website. I know it's really hard to misspell sometimes, and then when you get to it, you may have to create an account, but you should be fine. Just forget password sometimes. That works really well. Okay, so right now we have the new HeyGen. Just we're testing out the new avatar. I think we'll get the aspect ratio fixed here. Is it free? There's a subscription. It's not that much. And then from here, Is that your twin in your profile picture? That's my AI twin. William's dying. Yeah, my profile picture is horrible. The community picture that I have for my community picture is like way worse. Like, not that they're bad or anything, but you could be anything you want. Can you get 2K, 4K? I don't think they're ready yet for 2K. There's only like one model. I think it's like C-Dance that does like 2K and stuff like that. Like, it'd be too expensive. Like, even you could do 1080. Like, we even dropped it down to like 720p to kind of drop the cost for like super nerdy. Oh, we did the avatar. Okay, we're done. So let's see.
OpenAI just dropped ChatGPT Health, and it's wild. You can now connect your actual medical records. Apple.
Why is it returning? No, it's just returning square. Which sucks because we have to do a lot of cropping and editing from it. I did another test by just moving it back to avatar done. Oh no, to voice done, so I could redo the avatar for the B-roll. What? I placed the order, but he came back not 9 by 16. So like, is it because the width and high, or the width is 720? Like, I want a 9 by 16 image coming back, just like the original one, or Jonathan V1 for the avatar. Oh wow, you got a lot of change questions. Ryan says, "Are you using Cursor?" No, I'll try it out sometime. Like, I want to have my code base reviewed by Cursor because from what I hear, Claude is very narrowed, and I hear Cursor likes to look holistically at your whole code. So we shall see. But I'm very happy with Claude. Claude is not. I mean, it's not. No one's perfect. The apps aren't perfect, but they're definitely getting very closer to what we want. This was the other avatar. This is what we're trying to
Your
get
kids
to.
won't remember you worked hard. They'll remember you weren't there. 10 years from now, your daughter won't say you worked so hard for us. She'll say dad was always working. He missed my games.
We slowed down the voice as well too. So, yeah, Claude CLI is brilliant. Cursor is great if you make them stick to an SOP. They all have their little nuances, which is like, it's more of like, which one do you spend the most time with? I'd rather you spend the most time with a large language or like some IDE. I wouldn't recommend anti-gravity though, thinking about it. Like, Cursor is more than enough. Or Claude Code, Cursor. Just get in there and start coding away. Changed it to server start the new avatar. Try the new avatar generate again, and he should work. Okay. Voice done. We have auto. Create avatar. Woo woo. What's up, B? Welcome back. He's like, me neither. I agree. I definitely agree, William. I know it's. Oh my, so much has happened. We're gonna have and for every member in the community, this week we are learning Claude Code and VS Code inside the community. Class starts Tuesday, and then we're gonna go through how to vibe code Python programs, how to build websites, how to build tools. Trying to think of some other ones, and then we'll get into the other ones. What makes it different from others like VO3 or others? Well, VO3s are like video models, and based on the different models, I mean, the video models is the price. The cost per video generation is like one of the biggest things. Because like I'm 1 week behind. Well, we have all the replays. We have all the replays, and we just went through GenSpark. That's all we did last week. So this week we're gonna go through Claude Code, VS Code. Next week we're gonna do content automation, stuff like this. That's gonna be really good. once we fine tune an avatar. Ooh, oh, I think the new avatar is done. Let's take a look.
OpenAI just dropped ChatGPT Health.
I swear, I think when it generates the new avatar, I don't know if it's rewriting the old one so it gets updated. Can you double check we're getting the new latest generation as well too? Anitra's Closet will definitely be joining. I would love to have you in the community. You get a 1 hour one-on-one session with me. I get to learn all about you, your business as well too. Let's take a look at this HeyGen right here. We're trying to get this to... No, he still wants to generate output as squares. Because then I have to get funky into the cropping, and I don't want to do a lot of the cropping. And the video that we get back has this white space.
OpenAI.
I can't do anything with that white space though. Why is he... We definitely trained him. Avatar 3.0. What else could we troubleshoot? Because the avatar in there looks like it's 9:16. We're still getting the square ratios. So when we call it, the other one was just fine too. So I don't know what options we have from HeyGen to tailor some of the parameters so that we get back like a 9:16, or even if it's just cropped, because what it returns, I'll share a picture of it. It has extra white, and it has extra white space above and below, so I can't crop it. So I want to fix this probably in the, what I'm thinking is the payload that's being sent, or for when it's selecting the model. So give me some ideas to brainstorm to solve this. Yeah, because it's like Art Williams says, I'll go find your links. I got to drop. William, pleasure to meet you. I'll definitely see you in the next week. David's like, yep, doesn't let me do custom cropping. I'm trying to make this as like templatable as I can, so that it's pretty easy to change out different avatars. That's one of the biggest things. So we're going to have Claude take a look at it. That's pretty much all we could do, is just have Claude take a look at it. HeyGen's adding white lettering block outside the true 9:16. Let me check parameters get sent. Yes. Hey, Claude is on it. In a moment. No worries, David. And then... yeah, Claude's going to clean up some stuff real quick. See if we could get it back to... oh, okay, cool. So what are our options here? Why is this happening? Agent is adding padding, remove dimension parameter inside of HeyGen. Option 2, use talking photo mode instead of avatar. Oh, why can't we... wait, why can't we make it look exactly the same? Like, just how version 1 is with the talking photo mode pre-configured. And then I could give you a 9:16. Can I give you the 9:16 image, or if I save it on a public host URL, can I Will that work? Oh, no worries. I know we were gonna brainstorm. Don't worry. Don't worry, David. We're gonna make this work. We're gonna make this work. Don't worry. It's gonna work. Because this kind of makes sense of like, if I could just upload him the image, then problem solved. And we don't have to deal with training. Yeah, if you give me a 9x16 green image URL, I could use it directly. Perfect. Okay, so it's gonna lag for the next 2 minutes, but in those 2 minutes, I'm going to upload a proper 9x16 photo. Basically, I'm gonna upload a new headshot, give it to my Claude, and then Claude can fix it. And then option B, forcing skip hydrogen for your avatar ID. We're talking about it. This is how version watermark is. Hold on. Can we do both? I'll give you the paste URL for the link, and you can update the code to use the talking photo mode. How does that sound? Okay, I'm going to go to SiteGround. Okay, avatar done. Closing a lot of tabs, okay. What are we doing? AI Baddies Daily? I like that name. That's a dope name. Hold on, if it stops lagging for a second. Okay, for context, we're doing HeyGen avatars, creating a digital avatar. We're training a new one that's more realistic so that we could create content automatically with a press of a button. So right now I have a whole content machine that creates content. We are just uploading right now content. Excuse me. I think I'm just going to create a new folder. New folder. Call this avatars. And then in said folder, upload the image. AI Baddies. Nice. Okay, now we have a new website /avatars/avatar.png. Shoot. So avatars/avatar-1.png. Perfect. So we have a photo that is now on the interweb. We're going to give this to Claude. Okay, cool. This might work actually better than the other one where it's using URLs instead of nodes. So we will just have to change it. Cool. So this may work out even better. One, apparently I was using the wrong model. So apparently there's a talking head model that's better. Two, we're uploading the photo directly. We're giving it directly to HeyGen instead of doing this whole HeyGen thing around avatar workflow. That's pretty good. And then now he's going to finish that. We'll get the dashboard up. We'll run a new script. We'll even run with the voice update as well too. Okay, now HeyGen. Perfect. Highly recommend. Join the community if you want to learn how to do a lot of vibe coding, AI automation. Okay. Okay, configure. He's now good, good, good. Good, good, good. Okay. Now let's run this. All right, voice done. Scripted. Refresh. All right, so right now it is going through. I think it's creating a new piece of content to test it. Let's see how this works. What a project. Such a crazy project. I think it's kind of not working on scripts and captions. See if we could kickstart it. Okay, now it's generating the new voice. Perfect. Okay. So now it's cloning my voice. And it's getting my voice as the clone. Come on, buddy, buddy, buddy. Like, come on, buddy, generate the voice. Name for this AI. Good question. content automation machine. I know, so technical. So technical. But that's what basically it does, is it just automates. Okay, nice. There's the voice. Now it's doing the HeyGen. So let's see how HeyGen works for this. HeyGen's doing the avatar. This is custom coded. Python, HTML, CSS. All vibe coded. Hello, Hassan. We are building an AI avatar content. Hello to you, legend. Thank you, good. Thank you. And just showing what's possible with AI. You guys can vibe code stuff like this. The only difference is I've been more persistent at it than others. That's all. Is the avatar loading? Did it load? I don't think it was just running. You always have smart ideas. Thank you, good sir. Blessings to you and your family. Such a kind compliment. I'm just trying to push the boundaries of what they are. It is purely driven by laziness. Purely driven that I don't want to create another short form piece of content. I want my time back. I want my life back. But as a business, you have to create short form content, whether I like it or not. Hence the paradox. Hence the need for automation. So I want to see how much can you actually automate. And when people talk about content automation, I've never seen like full end-to-end automation. I'm talking idea to post, the whole thing. And so that's what I want to do with this. I want this to completely automate the entire content game. How does this look on mobile? This probably looks real tiny on like TikTok on mobile.
We love cheesy dipping burritos.
I can't see if I'm live. That sucks. No, I can't see if I'm live right now. Bummer. Oh, avatar's done. Let's see how this looks. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed.
OpenAI just dropped ChatGPT Health, and it's wild. You can now connect your actual medical records, Apple Health, even your fitness apps directly to ChatGPT. Imagine asking it to explain your blood work or your cholesterol trends. It's designed to be totally separate from your regular chats with its own encryption, so your health data never trains their models. This means you can prep for doctor visits, understand complex lab results, and track your wellness journey.
No, it still came back. No, it still came back in a square format. And not gonna lie, it looks worse as far as the quality. So what are the parameters and options for us to use for HeyGen? I want to use like just the original of what it was. Back to the version 1 seemed to work really well. And then let's take a screenshot of this.
OpenAI.
Nice. The GitHub repo is access to members inside the AI community. When you're inside the community, all you have to do is send me a direct message with your GitHub email that you use with your GitHub account, and I will give you access to the source code. Also, too, that's probably going to end after January. I won't be giving away the source code after January. So Get it while you can get it in January, because after that, you won't be able to get it. It's too powerful. It is too powerful for what setting it up. Yeah, let's just go version. Dang. But I like this one. This one looks really nice. He says I created it with a different one. How do you get access to the code? If you join the community, link is in my profile. It's $97 a month to join the community. Once you're in the community, send me a direct message and I will, with your GitHub email, and I will give you access to this. Till the end of January. And then the end of January, no more. Because it's too powerful. When will you have another 5 weeks available? Like the 5-week curriculum kind of thing. We may switch it. Well, every month is going to be a little bit different. So for the month of January, for 5 weeks, we're going from AI beginner to AI developer, basically. So it's a 5-week program, classes. Some people don't want the classes. They just want the live class. And you know what? Man, that's so close. Ah, okay. So, he's like, look, we're just going to go back to the original. And I think that's going to work. Let's go voice done. And then from voice done, refresh this. Found a killer tool for vibe coders. Text test sprites caught every issue. Nice. Very nice. Okay, so for this guy, just need to reset him. Alright, one avatar. We're going to generate the avatar again. I think we'll just go back to the original OG one for tonight, rather than waste time trying to get him final tweaked. I'd rather just pump out the content and just saturate the market for the next week with this, and I'll update him later. See if HeyGen. Okay, we have another one in the oven. Man, I swear it's user error when I created him, but it's so weird because when I trained that model, so the ones we're using are this one. That's the perfect one. No, these are the new ones. This is the original one. This one. See, that looks 9:16 format. Yeah, that's 9:16 format. But then the new one's not 9:16 format. So you have to be deleted. And you have to be deleted. Isn't this crazy? Okay. Wow, that first one looks really good. Okay, let's take a look at our avatar. I know it's the littlest, tiniest details, basically. Okay, our avatar is done.
OpenAI just dropped ChatGPT Health.
I think I just need to start fresh. So let me take this whole article, go back, delete this record, and just start fresh. I want you to revert everything back to what it was working with the first avatar and remove anything with the second avatar related. You can also look at the GitHub repo for any additional information for how it was working before. Okay, so it's gonna work on that revert, because I know this whole thing fumbled because it's not user error. I downloaded the right thing, but when I trained my new avatar, let's take home, and then let's take apps. Text to photo. See. These ratios. That looks 9:16. That's great. See, there's only 2 aspect ratios. Hi there, hope you're awesome. Hello, Christina. I see your comment in the community. Hi, Christina. Can I please get your GenSpark code? Oh, okay, gotcha. Affiliates. Do you have a public repo for your projects? No. Only because these projects, clients pay me lots and lots of money to build. And I only give them away to my members. That's why we want to join the community. Join the community, you get the source code. We have a lot of other cool stuff too. Like, lots and lots of other stuff. Here's GenSpark code. Here you go. Hi, Christina. GenSpark code. Also get voice ink for voice to text. Let me get that voice to ink one, which is voice ink. Because that's like, when I do my coaching with clients, I give them, I may switch from voice ink because voice ink ain't giving me my commissions. That's no bueno, voice ink. Also, I can't find Friday office hour. I'm not sure. Okay, those are all going to be on the. Here we go. Here are all the recordings. Let me also make sure. Also, I'll add. Doing customer service there. Have you tried Google Anti-Gravity? It's nothing wrong with it. I just prefer Claude Code. Once you play with the Claude, you don't go back. You are chilling. Okay, sorry for all the lagging. Import one subscriber. Christina. And then add with the tag paid community members. Sorry, I'm doing admin stuff for community members. When my members send me questions in the community, I try my best to answer as quickly as possible, honestly. Okay, so you're now added paid community member. Okay, cool. I also added this email to the email list so that you should be getting emails going forward. It wasn't on the email list. Cool. Hi, Christina. Gave you the GenSpark code. Voice Inc. for voice to text. AI office hours are now available in classes, or we now have office hour. We now have a section in the community for all the office hours, which is dope. And then you weren't on the email list, which is weird. But now you are, so you're good. Perfect. Let me just take a look at her profile. Yeah, she has access to everything. Good stuff. Good stuff. I like to make sure my members have a good experience at least. Get their questions answered. It's really getting the questions answered in a timely fashion is the biggest thing. I also added this email. Perfect. Excellent customer service. A+. Okay, so here, did you revert everything back? And restart the server. Okay, we're gonna start fresh with a brand new idea too. The content I want, I still want that ChatGPT Health. This is going to be for middle funnel. Okay, so now we added it in the queue. And then, oh, we should time it. So 7:15 right now. We will time to see how long it takes to generate one piece of content. Wow, we had 40 new followers today. That's nice. Welcome each and every one. Pretty cool. New people to join the community because we want world domination. Oh, he's moving fast. He's already on the avatar. Moving fast. Oh no, he's processing the avatar now. Yep, there's the little HeyGen avatar. I'm not gonna lie, when the thing works, it's like cheating because you just pump the content in, click run, come back 10 minutes later, schedule it, and then post, and then you find more content, and you're like, that was easy. It's the fastest way to spend money too. Like, you think you guys are spending money on tokens? Like, this thing burns some money. It doesn't even burn, not that much. It's like $1.33 per video is like nothing. Oh, it failed. I've gotten like 20 from being on your live in the last 7 days. Nice. Let's go. I swear this thing works. I just want to make it like super robust. And then we have our news correspondent. And there's different styles you could do with this, which is interesting. when we first started this series, we started this series with how to write a book using AI. 1 year later, we're how to automate all of your content using AI. That's pretty wild. We've come so far. We've learned so much. And we're going to go on another journey, another year of another, like, and we're going to look back and be like, oh, remember when we were automating our content with HeyGen? And like Nano, and like we're using Claude Code. Oh man, that was so long ago. Now we have the Oracle. And the Oracle is the one app that creates everything. It just plugs into your imagination. Oh, I don't know how crazy it is. All right, what's your predictions for this year? It's going to get pretty crazy. Okay, he's just cleaning up some stuff, which is nice. Cleared, researcher, da-da-da, get to know. Oh. Wait, new image key? Wait, you need the image ID? Do you need that for him? Or did I delete the wrong one? Do you need the HeyGen image ID, Claude? Yo, Claude. That was working at HeyGen. I can set it with the default commit. That way I won't have to load the imaging type. Do you have the long stream from... Yeah, I do. That's interesting. Maybe I deleted the wrong one. Alright, so that's this guy. Copy. Here you go. Did you ask our predictions or you said the Oracle? It skipped and said sound. Yeah, I'm still down for everyone's predictions on what you think AI is going to be. It's gonna get very... I mean, they're so realistic. The stuff I'm doing with the HeyGen right now is like the most cost effective for like the news. Some of them are like clean 2.6 right now. It's crushed its motions. Everyone is ripping off everyone's like motions. Well, yeah, motion basically, because that's what basically clean allows you to do. Lou, AI Automations. Yo, what up? I love the content. Keep it up. Thank you so much. Hope you're having a blessed day. We're jamming. Christina's like, thank you. You're welcome, Christina. Hope you do well. Do you have a quick moment? My slides cut off GenSpark. And I got them fit right. Yeah, send me a Zoom link. Yeah, send me a Zoom link. Well, I think we're going to pause there. My AI community member needs help, and I always make myself available to my community members. So I'm going to help him on a project in a moment. We'll wait for him to call. Or once he sends the Zoom link. We'll hang on till he sends the Zoom link because we're almost done. Right now, basically, we're just reverting back to the old version of like the talking head where everything worked. That's the thing that is a good lesson as a software developer. Not that I'm saying I am any way of a software developer. Far no, I am not one. But if I were to write a book on one, I would say once you have a working version, stop. Stop. We always want to tweak. We always want to add more. We always want to improve. Oh, what if this could be a little bit? Stop. Just if it's working, don't touch it. Don't look at it. Don't sneeze in this direction. If you have a working app, don't touch it. No more avatar approach, just straightforward approach. Where's server started? Okay, cool. Let me restart this server here. And then we'll just kick him back to idea and just kick him to start again. cool. Click this, click this. I think that will kind of kick him off into the thing here. Oh, he's generating captions. Cool, cool, cool. Okay. I think SLM would be more of a thing and more local. Small language models, I agree. I think they would. I'd be interested to try training like a small language model. That would be, I mean, we're going to have some very interesting projects this year. I'm very excited. We're going to get into private large language models, hardware. That's all going to be really, really, really important to know. Hope you're having a great night. Happy Sunday to you and your family. I will see you, David. Have a great night. I don't think he's going to text me back. What we're going to say. If he texts me, but no message yet. Made a massive post of resources. Ooh, is that what that new post was? I was posting some Avatar stuff last night. I found there's some really good demos of like massive dump of Claude AI LLM and resources. Ooh, very nice. Very, very, very nice. Perfect. Look at that. Customer service. Ask and you shall receive. It almost seems like Slack would be better for communities. You know? I would feel like Slack would probably be better. Just articles, Circle had come across my Google feed. Ooh. Very nice. Is he creating the avatar? Oh. Check log, did avatar fail? I was like, yo, Claude, did this avatar thing fail? Say yes. Oops, hopefully it did. I know. I really just want to revert this back to the version 1. Don't touch it. What is this app? Just your home lab automation machine? Pretty much. That is pretty much what it is. Local laptop, completely vibe coded, content automation machine, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, custom coded using Vibe Code. Claude Code. Claude Code and VS Code. He's kind of working in the side right there. And he's doing all of the work. I have not written any code. Claude built this whole app. Okay. Kind of test this out. He's like, oh, I gotcha. And then what he does is he outputs content, but we're just kind of fine-tuning. We're fine-tuning the avatar. We kind of got ambitious, thinking we could easily change out an avatar. That is not the case. Wish you could see what I was doing, so you can see to stop it or not. So you could see to stop it or not. I know you're working on big things. Deborius, thank you for the follow. So interesting. Like the live metrics. 40% of this audience. We're 3% highest. Viewership, 41 new people, 9 people viewing. This is very interesting to see all the metrics. I mean, you're on your avatar, revert it. I know, I think it was like something we uploaded or something. He's definitely failing again. Why is that? "22 minutes ago." I don't think... Yeah, so far we haven't been able to render a video with the new avatar, or the original avatar. I think it failed again. So challenges, you don't have like two clods to kind of look at it. All right, come on, Claude. Ooh, that avatar is a no.
OpenAI just dropped ChatGPT Health, and it's wild. You can now connect your actual medical records, Apple Health.
Looks horrible. It's using the old V2, not the Jonathan one. Oh no, and now he's compacting. I gotta get MetaHuman next and try and make your avatar. There's some other ones to make it basically. Oh, I gotta hop in our meeting. I will see you guys later. So definitely join the community. For everyone else in the community, I will see you guys on class. I gotta update the calendar, so I'll see you guys shortly. But stay